Welcome to Learn Personality Development classes with Suresh Babu. In the previous class, we discussed about how to get special knowledge or particular knowledge in certain field. Okay. In this session, let us discuss more about how to get special knowledge by reading, by studying. It means how to study, how to read. If you want to get special knowledge, then we need the standard books. If we approach those books, we can easily get more knowledge from that. Those books must be suggested by expert in certain field. Which field you selected, it will more help to you. After getting standard book, keep reading. Why we should approach expert books? It means if you read one standard book, it is equal to 6 normal books. That much benefits you may get while reading. Instead of doing like that, you may read one standard book 6 times than reading 6 normal books. It is equal to do like that. In order to achieve that, we need special knowledge or particular knowledge in our sector, in our areas, in our field. If anybody wants to get success, if anybody wants to achieve something, then we must need special knowledge in certain field. Let us learn how to get special knowledge by reading books, rereading and studying the books, digesting what you have read so far, what you have studied so far. Those things should be adapted to your body language while explaining. These are the best ways to get special knowledge from various sources. It is more useful to approach like these methods. Is it true, isn't it? After reading, after studying all those things, you have to get summary from that. What are the main points? You have to understand well that you are able to explain to others. Then it indicates that knowledge is empowered. And you have the empowered knowledge to educate others. Like that, special knowledge will help us to your field. Whatever sector, whatever field is selected by you. Next, you should not read the books here and there. If you approach like that, method, it's no use of doing like that. You have to merge the things what you have gained before or what you have learnt so far. Both must be merged while reading present new things. You must have the ability to merge it while reading. Either what you have learnt before or what you have learnt so far. Both must be merged. These are more useful to when you are explaining to others. One more thing, you should not read for a long time. If you want to read, if you want to study, there are 3 steps. First, you have to read what you wanted. In the middle stage, you have to think it. What you have studied so far. You have to read it. You have to think it. You have to digest it for correct thinking and right understanding. If you practice like this, then you will get correct thinking and right understanding while reading, and you may coordinate the old things and new things accordingly. You should practice how to read fast. Why do I want to explain these things? Because of there are certain researches shows in the psychology field. The person who read past, he has the ability to remember more things when you compare with others. If you take one example, then it indicates what is that? If the person has the ability to read one page within 5 minutes, another person also has the ability to read one page within 3 minutes, has the ability to read one page within 3 minutes, then who has the ability to remember more things? Clearly indicates, according to researchers, the person who read one page within 3 minutes, he has the ability to remember more things than the person who read one page within 5 minutes. That is the difference between them. That's why you should practice it. When you are reading, you have to remember 3 things. For getting fast reading, for practicing fast reading. First one is, you shouldn't read loudly. Read only in your mind. Read only in your conscience. We should not move even your lips while reading. If you do like this, it will be to read silently with your conscience or mind. The third one is, you should concentrate on your page, but your eyes keep moving from starting page to end page while reading. Whenever you want new thoughts, you should practice. If you want to gain more knowledge from books, you have to practice like this. Maybe years of experience, you may approach different methods, but you should give up those methods and you have to practice new method to get more special knowledge in your field. Maybe it will trouble you in the initial stage, but you should practice it. Why? Because you wanted to get the special knowledge. If you want to get the special knowledge, you should practice like this. That is inevitable. So you should practice it like this manner. If there are small words or small letters, they won't appear, then you may use the index finger while reading line to line. It will help you to read speedily. Like this method you may use while reading, how to read and how to study. When there are certain words, repeats, that you don't understand the meaning of words, you don't overcome it without explaining it. For the correct meaning and pronunciation, you should approach the dictionary to get meaning. After getting the meaning, then you explain to others according to your views. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share.